Welcome to Pydle Day 155. Pydle is a daily puzzle you need to solve by writing Python code. I just want to thank everyone for your feedback and contributions on YouTube and Reddit. I've dropped TikTok as a platform, and I tried Instagram for a while, but I'm not gonna post there. I've created a GitHub for you to log issues or suggestions, so have a go there, visit, and please put your issues in there so I can track them. Today's Pydle is a jellyfish. Well, it doesn't look a lot like a jellyfish, but it's the best I could do. So have a go at solving that. If you're new to Pydle, or you just want some hints how to solve Pydles, then I will now solve yesterday's Pydle. So I'm not optimizing my solution in any way. This is quite a basic solution that I present here. I'm just using normal loops and if statements. So if you want more advanced solutions to minimize your number of characters, then have a look on Reddit and YouTube. There's some really excellent solutions there. Okay, so yesterday's Pydle was a cute little penguin with some snowflakes there in the background just to distinguish the body from the background. Okay, so let's have a go at solving that. So it's symmetrical around the y-axis, so I'm going to use Cartesian coordinates for that. So -2, 3, but the y I'm just going to use normal coordinates. So let's tackle the whites first. I was going to tab that one. So we can see we've got on the left, so I'm going to focus on those 2 pixels there on either side. So we can say if absolute value of x equals 2 and y less than 2. Okay, so let's try that. I must remember to say 2 plus x to convert back to Pydle coordinates. Okay, so that's that. Now let's do the body quickly. The body is all absolute value of x less than is it absolute value of x? Yeah, less than 2 and y in we could have said and 1 less than y less than 4. Let's do that one. Okay, that's the body, and then the white between the feet. So you can say or, and that's where y equals 4, and now we use modulus to get the it's the even ones, -2, 0, and 2. So it's x modulus 2 equals 0. Okay, so there's the outline of the penguin. So let's do the snowflakes. So we can, I've got a snowflake in my clipboard. So snowflake, if, well, it's going to be simpler. Let's do this blank one. If y in, and it's 0, 1, 2, and 3. Else. Okay, see that. Okay, there we've got the snowflakes. Now just for the orange bits, so we do alif, because we can leave the blacks blank or not colored in. So alif, so that pixel is where y equals 1 and x equals 0. So we can say alif x equals 0 equals, and y is 1, so if we do y minus 1, it would also equal 0, so that would work. 2 plus x, y, no character there, and that's orange. Okay, that's the beak. And then finally you say or, and we've got y equals 5 there, so y equals 5 equals absolute value of x, which is 1. So for that to equal 5, we must say plus 4. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. Y equals 5, no, not 5, it's y equals 4. It goes from 0. So x equals 1 absolute value, so you have to add 3. But that also equals 4. Okay. And that solves the Pydle. One additional change I've made is, so now you can basically run the code multiple times, even after you've solved it. So let's say we want to optimize that a little bit. So we just want to character there. Okay, so you can continue running it. You won't be able to share it now because it's not currently solved. But yeah, let me know if you think the behavior is correct, but this was based on a request. So yeah, do go and add any requests for enhancements or issues to GitHub, so we can track them properly. So if you haven't solved the little penguin yet, have a go. So there it is solved, and then try today's Pydle. This one should be simpler because the penguin had quite a lot of characters, 179, but the jellyfish should be a lot less.